Liquid lipstick hacks and mistakes to avoid. Hello everyone, welcome back to BCG Health. We are glad to be back after a while, guys. We are back with all the juicy and hot topics, hacks and tips for everyday lifestyle. Guys, let's take a look at some tips to avoid when using liquid lipstick. A lot of people use liquid lipstick with the problem of not knowing how it all works. This was a request topic from one of our viewers. The art of liquid lipstick and the way it's sharp and firm when applied attracts a lot of people using this amazing product. This is one of the products you must have in your purse or in your makeup essentials, especially the red color. The liquid lipstick matches with almost everything you wear and makes you stand out, guys. But there's a problem. A lot of ladies don't know how to use this liquid magic. Here are some tips to avoid the next time you pick one up. Number 1. Avoid applying your liquid lipstick on dry out lips. Always do a lip peel prior to applying lipstick. Liquid lipstick is incredibly dry itself, so there is that risk of it becoming flaky. So it is best to always give your lip a lip scrub before applying lipstick. You can use Vaseline or lip balm with a toothbrush or using a wet, soft cloth to gently massage the lips and remove the excess dead skin. As a result, this will give you a fine and soft texture to your lips. When done with your scrub, always wipe off the excess lip balm. I sometimes apply foundation over my lips to cancel out any pigmentation on the lips before applying liquid lipstick. This will help keep your lipstick on for a really long time, even during eating and drinking. Number 2. Always draw a symmetrical lip shape before applying your liquid lipstick. Do this first and correctly, because corrections are difficult to make once the product gets dry. As a result, you will be struggling to get that right shape. Use a lip liner underneath when trying to perfect the shape to create a dimension. You can start from the middle of your lip moving to the sides, then outline the lip shape to your style. Make sure to stay within the borders of your lip liner or pencil. It is much easier to apply your liquid lipstick flawlessly and stay within the borders. Number 3. Avoid pressing your lips together immediately after applying your liquid lipstick. When you do that liquid lipstick, you will find that the lipstick will become patchy because liquid lipstick takes just a few minutes to dry when applied. As a result of pressing lips together immediately, it will leave different levels of dryness on different areas of your lips, allowing the dry parts to stack up the product on the wet areas. Try to apply the lips separately and only let them touch together once everything is dry. Number 4. Another thing to avoid when using liquid lipstick is applying too much product. Many people complain of the dryness felt and the feeling that the liquid lipstick leaves on their lips. It is preferable to do the outline as we discussed earlier with the liquid lipstick, then blend it together without adding too much product and removing the excess product. Apply a very thin layer at a time, thus giving it a light shade and a feel. Number 5. The one thing to always avoid when removing liquid lipstick, guys, is using raw force. Obviously, we all know liquid lipstick is extremely difficult to remove with makeup removal. Most people try to use force by rubbing off the lips with raw force. Don't do that, guys. This will leave the lips dry and sore. The best way is to use a preconditioner on top of the lipstick beforehand and let it soak before cleaning them. Once the Vaseline has softened up the lipstick, it becomes easy to remove the lipstick. As a result, it leaves that soft, smooth feel and fine texture on your lips. Guys, I hope you loved this video and found it incredibly useful. Number 6. When using liquid lipstick, make sure to use the tip of the applicator to outline the lip shape and go ahead and fill in the rest of your lips, and you should have perfectly shaped lips. If you still have an uneven line, go ahead and use some concealer pencil with a small brush and clean up the line. This makes it much easier and gives it a perfect, nice, sharp edge. Hope you guys love this video. These are hacks and mistakes people always make when using liquid lipstick and lip gloss. Let us know what you think in the comments section. Please subscribe and turn on the bell icon to get notifications on the next amazing topics on health and beauty tips for everyday lifestyle.